my friends. I'm Ayoub and this is my friend Arnoub.
Hi friends!
Today we are going to learn the multiplication table of number 7. Are you ready?
Yes!
Before we start, make sure to join our WhatsApp channel so you never miss any of our new videos. And now let's begin. 7 times 1 equals 7. Let's repeat it together. Can you say it by yourself? You have 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. 7 times 1 equals
It's 7!
Great job! Now let's move to the next one. 7 times 2 equals 14. Let's repeat it again. Can you find the answer? 7 times 2 equals Excellent! Now, next one. 7 times 3 equals 21. Let's try again. 7 times 3 equals
It's 21!
Wonderful! Let's continue. 7 times 4 equals 28. Can you see it along this time? 7 times 4 equals
It's 28!
Amazing! Now the next one. 7 times 5 equals 35. Let's repeat it again. 7 times 5 equals Good job! Let's move on. 7 times 6 equals 42. Let's repeat it again. 7 times 6 equals
It's 42!
Perfect! Next one. 7 times 7 equals 49. Let's see it again. 7 times 7 equals
49!
You're doing great! Good job! Now let's continue. 7 times 8 equals 56. Can you remember it? 7 times 8 equals
56!
Fantastic! And finally, 7 times 9 equals 63. Let's repeat it one more time. 7 times 9 equals
It's 63!
Great job, friends! Now we are going to review the multiplication table of the number 7 from 1 to 9. But this time, try to find the answer on your own to see if you remember them. You will have 5 seconds to think before we reveal the result. Let's start. 7 times 1 equals.
It's 7.
Great job! Now let's move to the next one. 7 times 2 equals.
14.
Excellent! Now next one. 7 times 3 equals.
21.
Wonderful! Let's continue. 7 times 4 equals.
28.
Amazing! Now the next one. 7 times 5 equals.
35.
Good job! Let's move on. 7 times 6 equals.
42.
Perfect! Next one. 7 times 7 equals.
49.
You are doing great! Good job! Now let's continue. 7 times 8 equals.
56.
Fantastic! And finally, 7 times 9 equals.
63.
Good job, everyone! We hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new video.
See you soon, friends. Stay safe and take care.